morning and welcome. Today we recognize and celebrate the accomplishments of our artists and performers. Your contribution to our school is priceless, and we appreciate your hard work and dedication. My congratulations to students who will receive awards and recognitions, and to their parents as well. I miss each of you and look forward to seeing you again soon. We will begin our program with recognition of our mock trial team led by Mrs. Anna Wilsheets.
Hello. I am really excited to get to be here with you right now and share about the Deerfield-Windsor 2019-2020 mock trial team. We've got a great bunch who did a fantastic job, and I'm really excited to get to share that with you today. Half of our team works for the prosecution, trying to convict, and the other half of our team works for the defense, trying to get a not guilty plea. So I want to kind of talk about our team in particular. Though before I do, I'd also like to point out this competition happens in real courthouses with real judges presiding, and they are evaluated by attorneys and others in the legal profession who do this for a living. So it's a very impressive and unique opportunity for our students. So with regards to our team, we have a young team, which I am very excited about. We have no graduating seniors this year. The benefit to that is that we get to bring back some of our greatest assets with us next year for competition. So we've got Christina Ford here, who is a freshman attorney, Michael Mikas, sophomore witness, Josh Lumedong, who is a junior attorney, Braden Armstrong, who this year participated, he's a sophomore, participated both as an attorney and a witness, so he did both roles, which is another unique opportunity that they allowed this year. Charles Peeler, while he's competed as an attorney for us in the past, this year chose to participate as a witness. Herschel Joshi, freshman attorney, and Bridges Pierce, freshman witness. Then Abby Lackenpaul, also sophomore witness. Jovi Hall as a freshman attorney. Amari Good as a junior attorney. Rianne Almontazer as a freshman witness. And Annalise Allen participated with us this year as a court artist in a separate court artist competition that I will highlight momentarily. So here's our team. I'm very proud to say that we came in third at region competition this year. On top of that, in each round of competition, an attorney and a witness are selected and given awards and recognition for the best in that given round. And at region competition, Herschel Joshi came in with a best attorney award, again as a freshman. And Braden Armstrong won a best witness for his role playing a witness for us this year. At the region competition as well, this is where they have the court artist competition. We are able to bring in up to 3 artists each year. This year we had Annalise, who competed with us. This is a very unique art competition because these students are sketching live in the courtroom. The people they're sketching are moving around. They are not standing still. They are doing their jobs as witnesses and attorneys, and the artists have to try and capture that moment through their art. So Annalise Allen ended up coming in first in our region in the court artist competition, and was then invited on to the state competition where her work was also evaluated at the state level. Then we went on to the district competition. The top 3 teams from region get to proceed to district. So at district competition, while it's only the top 2 who move on to the state level, while we didn't make it to state this year, we did come away with some awards. So Michael Mikas got best witness in his round, and Braden Armstrong also got best witness in his round as well. So proud of these guys. It's been really cool to see our team grow. and get more and more skilled each year to get more experience at these competitions. Again, it is a very unique competition, and our students do very well. Next year will be the 4th year we are competing as a program, and I'm also looking forward to next year being able to award 4-year participant awards to several of our current juniors who I do hope are coming back for their senior year. I look forward to seeing what these students can do. They've been phenomenal. I really wish I could be with you guys to celebrate in this, but just know I am so proud of you guys and cannot wait to move forward with next year's season with you guys.
Hi, I'm Margaret Wilson, middle school art teacher. Welcome to the Fine Arts Assembly. The Kiwanis Club every year has a contest in Georgia. It encompasses Dougherty County, Lee County, and all the homeschool children. You can submit up to 30 works per grade, and we did submit quite a few this year. I think I submitted 29 for 6th grade, 7th grade, and 8th grade. They pick winners by grade, and they pick 1st, 2nd, and 3rd, and then usually honorable mention. This year, I was excited. We won a couple of awards. Our first one I'd like to mention is the 6th grade. We got 2nd place, Mary Margison, and 1st place, Ben Everett. So it's quite exciting for them. They actually get monetary funds for that. Our 7th grade did quite well also. We had a 3rd place winner, Natalie Morgan, and we got honorable mention with David Nicholson. So we were excited to have those 4 winners. They did a great job. It's been a great art school year. I hope to continue next year. Thank you very much.
For 40 consecutive years, the Kiwanis Club of Dougherty County has sponsored a student competition and art exhibition. This year, junior artist Cassandra Lopez received an honorable mention for her scratchboard work of art titled Lungs. Congratulations, Cassandra, and congratulations go out to all of the Deerfield students that participated in this prestigious art show.
Good afternoon, and congratulations to the class of 2020, as well as today's honorees. My name is Charles Hawkins, and I'm the son of Dr. Charles E. Hawkins, after whom the Hawkins Art Award is named. My father was a lifelong educator. After graduating from Vanderbilt University in 1948 and receiving his master's degree in 1949, he started his career in independent school education at the Baylor School in Chattanooga, Tennessee. He received his doctoral degree in education from the University of Tennessee in 1964. In 1981, he accepted a position at Deerfield as middle and upper school director and English teacher. At age 65, he resigned from his administrative duties, but he continued to teach until 2004, when he retired at the age of 81. He had been teaching for 54 years. Although he was primarily a teacher of English and American literature, Charles Hawkins was a true Renaissance man. He was a biblical scholar, a lover of theater and classical music, and he was himself a gifted artist. He worked in many different media, but he excelled in portraiture, and many of his portraits hang in homes in Albany and elsewhere. My father was a man with a passion for teaching, and he loved working with young people. His love and respect for his students was repaid with numerous teaching awards. He was chosen Star Teacher 7 times. He was selected as a distinguished teacher by the President's Council on Education. In 2010, Dr. Dave Davies, the Deerfield headmaster, approached me with the idea of creating an award honoring my father. Knowing my dad's love of art, he proposed an award to be given to an upper school student who had shown talent and proficiency in the visual arts. The award was to be based on a competition of a submitted work of art. The winning piece of art was then to be framed and hung in the upper school campus front lobby, along with the previous year's winners. This year's winner was chosen by me, my sisters, both of whom are teachers, and my 3 daughters, all Deerfield graduates, and all of whom are gifted artists in their own right. The nominees this year are all deserving of recognition. Each demonstrated creativity, talent, and attention to detail. We really enjoyed reviewing these impressive pieces of art. The winning work stood out, however. It is a self-portrait done in a starkly realistic style, but with an air of mystery about it. We were all impressed with the attention to detail, the sense of realism, the use of light and shadow, and the interesting mood of the drawing. On behalf of the Hawkins family, I'd like to thank the Board of Trustees, Alan Lowe, Noel Peterson, and the entire Deerfield family for continuing to honor my father with this award. I wish you all the best. And now I'll turn it back over to Ms. Peterson for the presentation of the award. Thank you.
Hello, everybody. I'm excited to announce that this year's Charles E. Hawkins Art Award goes to freshman artist Reese Elliott. Reese is the daughter of Heidi and David Elliott, and I've had the pleasure of teaching Reese twice this year, both fall and spring semester. Reese is a very talented artist, and I'm super excited that she's only a freshman because that means I get to teach her for the next 3 years. She is totally deserving in receiving this award because of her outstanding achievement. I am super proud of her. I would also like to thank the Hawkins family for taking the time to judge all of the works of art and for being such wonderful supporters of visual arts.
Hey everybody, just want to take a few minutes here to recognize a bunch of different students. I really want to recognize and congratulate all of the middle school band students on just a job well done this year. Every single 9 weeks I've had a crew of musicians that are ready to work and ready to learn, and so I just want to congratulate every middle schooler. I had the pleasure of teaching all of you guys, so thank you very much. The amount of work, dedication, and progression just overall musically from 6th, 7th, and 8th grade has just been outstanding, so very good job. I also want to recognize the 2020 Knights Got Talent winners. Just again, 3rd place was Wade Singleton, 2nd place Jamia Lofton, and 1st place was the Six. So congratulations again to you guys and to really everyone involved who participated in that competition. Looking forward to next year. To my senior band students, Sam, Gracie, Lila, Kingsley, Caroline, Matthew, Jackson, James, and Lily. It has been a pleasure and an honor working with you guys and teaching you. It takes a lot of guts to step out of the box and try something new, which many of you have done this year, so I just want to congratulate you guys and recognize you all as well. And then lastly, I want to recognize one student in particular, a senior student. This student was no stranger to the music scene prior to my coming to Deerfield. But over the last 2 years, I've had the very fortunate experience of being able to basically sit back on the sidelines and watch this person achieve incredible amounts of musical growth. Abby Ungarino, who I would describe as a singer, instrumentalist, a performer, a songwriter, from plays to talent shows to schools assemblies. Abby has taken every opportunity this year to step out into the music world, and it has been an incredible asset to me and to the overall student body, and quite an inspiration. So congratulations, Abby. I know we'll be hearing much more from you in the future. So congratulations again to all of my senior band students. I hope that everyone is staying well. I miss you all, and I hope to see you soon.
It is my honor to present the Literary, Thespian, and Performing Arts Awards for the 2019-2020 school year. In early March, our literary team competed at the region level, and all who placed 1st through 4th in their events contributed to the team's overall score. Allison Eiler and Christiana Ford placed 4th in duo oral interpretation. Amari Good was 4th in extemporaneous speaking. Rianne Almontaser placed 4th in spelling. Braden Armstrong placed 3rd in boys solo. Braden Armstrong, Jackson Belusco, Michael Mikas, and Tucker Pollock placed 3rd in boys quartet. Nick Singletary placed 2nd in impromptu speaking. Bridges Pierce placed first in humorous oral interpretation. Michael Micus placed first in dramatic oral interpretation. And Porter Hill placed first in argumentative essay. Unfortunately, due to lockdown restrictions, we were unable to have the state literary competition this year. But Nick, Bridges, Michael, and Porter, by placing first or second in their event, qualified to move on to the state level. Additionally, back in the fall, we competed in the one-act play competition with our version of Lend Me a Tenor. At the region level, Michael Micus was named Region Outstanding Performer. And at the state level, Bridges Pierce was named Outstanding Performer Honorable Mention. The International Thespian Society recognizes those members who have made outstanding contributions in the field of theater and who have earned more than 60 points as a thespian during their high school years. The following student has achieved the designation of Honor Thespian. That student is Gracie Carden. Senior Performing Arts Awards are given to those seniors who have been involved in the DWS Performing Arts for at least 2 years of their high school experience. The seniors this year are Gracie Carden, Abby Ellis, Allison Eiler, and Abby Ungarino. The Ronald H. Griffith Performing Arts Award is given to a Deerfield-Windsor senior who has shown exceptional talent and commitment to the performing arts. Mr. Griffith served as headmaster in the 1980s. The recipient must have been in a majority of productions performed by DWS students while maintaining the highest academic average. This year, the Ronald H. Griffith Performing Arts Award is presented to Gracie Carden. And our final award is given in loving memory of Mrs. Susan Farkas for the many years she devoted to our performing arts department. This award is given to a student or students who have exemplified the commitment to excellence in performing arts to which Mrs. Farkas dedicated her life. This selection, made by the Literary Committee, is awarded to the student or students who have had leading roles in productions and who have also demonstrated leadership and a love for the performing arts. This year, the Susan B. Farkas Award is presented to Allison Eiler and Abby Ungarino.
What a great program. Thank you to all that have been a part of getting this program together, the faculty, the staff, and more importantly, the hard work they've put in over the years to educate our children. And then congratulations to all of you that received awards today. I pray that you will continue to let the arts be a part of your life, as it is a part that will never leave you, guide and strengthen you. At this time, we are closing our ceremony. I pray that all of y'all will stay safe, and I look forward to the day we get to see each other again. Thank you.